So hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back with another video for my addicted blogging channel, and in this video I will discuss whether you can reply to the notifications which you receive in the Amazfit GTS to Mini directly from the smartwatch. So watch the video till the end, and if you are a tech enthusiast, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon because I will be bringing more videos like this. So let's start. So first of all, I will show you how to configure the watch with the official app of Amazfit, where you can get the notifications directly in the watch. So this is the official app of Amazfit. The app name is ZEP app, and here after pairing the watch you will get these options here, and you have to come to this profile option. In the profile option you will get the watch. You have to click on here, and you can see there will be a lot of options, but you have to select one option where you will be getting the notification, that is notifications and reminder. So okay, my watch is updating as you can see. So sometimes the GPS and the watch GPS and phone GPS will be synchronized in order to get accurate reading from the watch or the phone. So it synchronizes a lot and it updates the watch also sometimes. So here you will get that update notification where you will be getting that the watch is getting updated or something like that, which is great because Amazfit will be pushing on updates means maybe not regularly, but I have seen that it is pushing update a few days or like months. It is not like those companies where the updates are not coming and the watch will be same. Anyways, my GPS is synchronized with the watch, and let's go to the option where you will be getting to set the notifications for definite apps. So as you can see here, you will be getting the option for incoming call, app alerts, standing reminders, incoming SMS, goal notification. You can see that there is a app alert option, and you have to click on the app alert option. Here you can configure which apps you want to get the notifications. So from which app you will be getting the notification, that you have to select first. So here you can see that a manage apps option is there. If you click on that, as you can see there are a lot of apps in here, and you have to select the apps from where you want to get notification. I have selected WhatsApp and Messenger, which are like we use daily, that's why I have selected. And there is another option where you can see that app alerts, like watch will vibrate upon receiving app push message. So when you will receive the notification, the watch will vibrate, and also when the screen is off, then only you will receive notification. I have turned it on. So if I am using my phone, I will not get the notifications in my watch. So now let's see whether we can reply from the watch the notifications which we receive in the smartwatch. So if we can see that if I swipe up, I will see the notifications. Here are the notifications, message notifications I have received. So if I click on any one of them, so if I click on any one of them, you can see that there is no reply option. So it seems like we will not be able to reply to the messages which we receive from the smartwatch. And also for WhatsApp messages also I have checked, we cannot reply to messages from the smartwatch directly. And some of the WhatsApp messages, like if it is in different language, or some of the smileys are not compatible, and you will get that question mark sign here for those messages. But apart from that, you can view the message, you can click and read the message, everything is fine. If you are like want to view whatever messages you are receiving in the phone, that will be okay for this smartwatch, and you can do that. So that's it guys, I wanted to discuss whether you can reply to the messages from the smartwatch itself. So thank you guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be bringing more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.